Another great tool that you can use at home to help your horse's back is a stretch we call the ab release. And so a little bit about this. This is a forward flange of the pelvis called the tubercoxae. Now, something to know is that the abdominal muscles of a horse primarily attach to this point. Whenever there's any sort of back pain or pelvic imbalance, this tendon of this muscle gets incredibly tight. If you, no matter how many saddles you go through, whatever you do, if this is not released, the horse's pelvis cannot be very comfortable. This release is easy to do, but does take a little bit of practice. First, find the big bony landmark right here. It's always just behind this upward growing strip of hair. You're going to take the heel of your palm and you're going to basically make it so that that bone is over the palm. And then all you're going to simply do is find the tightest part of the tendon, go into here, and just simply lean in with the heel of the palm on the tendon, on the front side of the bone. This is actually the tendinous attachment point of a lot of the two big oblique muscles. Horses can be quite reactive to this, so make sure you have a horse that is safe with his hind legs before attempting this. If you have a horse that isn't 100% safe with his hind legs, you can either not do this, or if you want to try it, simply put your hand on the stifle and just go in very gently. It's very common for horses to shift around a lot as this tendon releases. Do not push upward on the pelvis during this maneuver. This is not a pelvic adjustment. Horses to move around a lot when doing this tendon release, as it's very sensitive. Don't overdo it. Hold this maybe 45 seconds, and if a horse relaxes its hip and really sighs, then stop. As with all body work, ease out the same way you ease in.